In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to group projects in Asana 2025, step by step. If your projects feel scattered across your Asana sidebar, grouping them into a single team is the cleanest way to organize by department, client, or initiative. We'll do this in two parts. First, create a team as the container, then move your existing projects into it. Nothing about your tasks, assignees, or due dates will change. Only where those projects live in your workspace. Start by looking at the left sidebar in Asana. Find the option that says plus create team. If you don't see it, you may need the right permissions in your workspace or organization. Click it and a setup window will open. Here's where you define the basics that make your team easy to recognize and manage over time. Give your team a clear, searchable name. Many people use a prefix like MKTG or client to group similar teams alphabetically. Add a short description that explains what kinds of projects belong here, the purpose of the team, and any conventions you want folks to follow. This becomes useful onboarding documentation later. Finally, set the privacy. Choose whether the team is public to your organization or private. Public is great for transparency and cross-functional discovery. Private is better when work is sensitive or limited to a specific group. Pick what fits your context now. You can always update it later in the team settings. With your team created, it's time to move projects into it. Open any project you want to group. In the top area of the project, click the three-dot More menu. Select Edit Project Details. In the panel that appears, look for the team field. Change it to the new team you just created, then save. The project will relocate under that team in the left sidebar, but it will keep all of its tasks, sections, custom fields, and history exactly as they are. Repeat that move for each project you want organized under this team. If you can't change the team on a particular project, you may not have the necessary permissions. In that case, ask an admin or the project owner to make the change. As you go, check your sidebar to confirm the projects are now neatly grouped under one team folder. That's it. You've created a dedicated team and moved your projects into it, giving everyone a single, predictable place to find related work. Keep names consistent, keep the description up to date, and your Asana sidebar will stay clean and intuitive as your portfolio grows.